Pelican Storm iM2620 case with foam, waterproof safety for cameras and drones. Meet the Pelican Storm iM2620 case with foam in black. This is a tough, mid-sized hard case, built for professionals and serious travelers who need to protect valuable gear. We're talking cameras, drones, precision tools, or sensitive electronics. It's crafted from a lightweight yet incredibly strong material called HPX2 resin, and it's injection molded for extreme durability. This case is officially rated IP67 waterproof. That means it's submersible in 1 meter of water for a full 30 minutes. It's also completely dustproof and crush-resistant. Its core function? To be an absolute safeguard for your equipment during the roughest trips, thanks to its fully customizable interior. It includes those famous pick-and-pluck foam layers, letting you easily create snug, form-fitting compartments for every item. There's also a built-in pressure valve to handle air pressure changes during flights. It's easy to haul, with 2 sturdy handles, inline wheels, and a telescoping pull handle. The latches are padlockable for security, and the whole case meets rigorous military specifications like iM2620, measuring 21 by 16 by 10 inches on the outside. It's the perfect size as a checked bag or for field carry. Think of it as your gear's reliable, rolling fortress. Let's boil down the top benefits. First, ultimate protection. The IP67 waterproofing and impact resistance keep your gear safe from rain, dust, drops, even the most aggressive baggage handlers. Second, custom fit. That pick-and-pluck foam molds precisely to your items, preventing any internal shifting and scratches. Third, effortless mobility. The inline wheels and telescoping handle let it roll smoothly, just like premium luggage, eliminating back strain on long hauls. Fourth, it's travel-ready. The automatic pressure valve equalizes during flights, it's stackable, and those padlockable latches add security. And fifth, lifetime peace of mind. It's lighter than old-school hard cases, at just 14.5 pounds loaded, and it's backed by Pelican's legendary warranty. You break it, we replace it forever. This case is simpler, stronger, and smarter. It turns chaotic transport into confident carry, whether you're a photographer, a drone pilot, or a field technician. Let's paint a picture. Before, a videographer's $20,000 camera rig bounces around in a soft bag during a flight. Lenses crack, the body gets dented, total panic on arrival. After, with the Pelican Storm iM2620, she plucks the foam for perfect slots, seals it tight, and simply wheels it through airports. Her gear emerges pristine, even after 50-plus flights. Take a drone operator. Previously, props snapped and checked luggage from rough handling. Now, custom foam cradles the drone, batteries, and controller. Everything survives tarmac, rain, and accidental drops. Or a photographer on expedition. An old case leaked in a storm, ruining precious film rolls. This one's IP67 seal keeps everything bone dry through downpours and muddy drags. The before and after? It's the shift from constant worry and damage to zero issues, quick setups, and gear that's always ready to perform. So, why does the Pelican Storm iM2620 beat the competitors? Cheaper cases from brands like SKB or Gator can crack under real abuse. Users report splits after just one drop. The Pelican's HPX2 resin, however, shrugs off the iM2620 tests. We're talking about real-world proof, like a case surviving 70-plus international flights with zero interior damage. It's 1 to 2 pounds lighter than a classic Pelican 1560, yet tougher than plastics from Nonic or Case Club, and it has smoother wheels for easy airport navigation. Don't just take my word for it. A professional photographer tested it. Checked 70 times internationally, still looks new. Drone pilots confirm. Survived drops onto concrete. Holds an Inspire 2 kit perfectly. Reviews rave. The IP67 rating is legit. My gear stayed dry after sea spray in Antarctica. An audio engineer noted. 180-plus live shows. Thrown in and out of trucks. Zero failures, unlike roto-mold cases. An influencer said, the wheels and handle are smoother than the old Protector models. And that lifetime warranty seals the deal. Pelican replaces it forever, unlike the 1-year warranties on inferior products. For professionals hauling $10,000 or more in gear, this is superior value. It's an unbreakable, customizable, mobile fortress. Ready to lock in that confidence? Click the link in the description to grab your Pelican Storm iM2620 case with foam in black right now. Protect your gear before your next trip, especially as prices are rising on these in-demand cases. Secure checkout, fast shipping. Don't risk catastrophic damage on flimsy alternatives. Tap the link now for unbreakable confidence.